5 words no business owner wants to hear. Your insurance claim was denied. The number one reason this happens, your policy didn't cover the risk you thought it did. Unlike health insurance, where one plan covers most situations, business insurance is made up of separate policies for different risks. General liability might protect you if a customer sleeps in your store, but it won't cover damage to your own equipment. The best way to avoid a denial is to review your coverage before you need it. Make sure you have the right mix of policies: general liability, commercial property, professional liability, and more, so there are no gaps. With Next Insurance, you can review, customize, and add coverage in minutes, all online. Don't wait for a denial to learn the hard way. Click the link in the description below and make sure you're fully protected with Next Insurance today.